All right, in this Easter 1-minute tip, I want to take one of the most popular questions that came in, and Sean kind of summarized it really well when he says this: how do we get our people to invite their friends and family to Easter? Again, one of the most popular questions we had. We go much more in depth inside the coaching in the Easter kit, in our outreach course, and then we're working on a personal evangelism course inside Church Marketing University. All three of those really cover this more in depth. But Sean, let me give you just a bullet point real quick, boom, 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 in less than a minute, some of the main things that's really going to help your church. One, leaders have to lead the way in this effort, really. Two, you got to share stories like crazy. Three, you've got to find ways to celebrate this, cheer it on. All those things are going to help your church develop a culture of invitation. One of my favorite ways is churches tie this into their water baptism and those stories that they're sharing along the way. You got to give your people tools like invite cards, which can be really powerful. And again, we go through a simple strategy that you can use inside the Easter kit. You got to pray like crazy and make sure that God is doing the supernatural connecting of the dots in your community. You got to honor people's time. So when people are inviting their friends and family and they come to your church service, you got to make sure that you're not wasting their time. If you're wasting people's time, especially here in American culture, people aren't going to invite something where they feel like, man, my friends and family are going to be there for hours, which follow that up gives your people something that they feel excited about inviting their friends and family to, that they feel proud of, like, man, you're going to love this. And I think honoring people's times is one of those big things as well. Do some bridge events. Sometimes those are the easiest ways. That's why I think you see a lot of churches starting out with something like an Easter egg hunt or a fall harvest party. It's an easy way for people to invite a one step, get them friends and family in and around the church, familiar with the church, and then say, hey, let's come back here tomorrow or on Sunday or Easter. So sometimes those bridge events can be really powerful. And then lastly, but not least, social media is great with this because it's so easy to share, tag a friend, share a video from a church. So social media can be really powerful as well. So if I had to bullet point those out, those would be the things, but you could go deeper inside the Ultimate Easter Kit, the outreach course, and the personal evangelism course that we're working on now. I'm super pumped about that. But we'll see you guys over in the next tip.